Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Peter. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to configure Git in your terminal using Windows PowerShell. Before you configure Git in your terminal, you have to verify if Git is already installed in your system. To do this, you just type in Git version, enter. So if Git is installed in this system, you see the version here. But if it is not, then you get an error message, which means you have to go and download Git into the system. So to install Git, just simply go to any web browser and then you type in Git. Just type in Git, enter. Then you click on this git-scm.com. You click on it, then you scroll down. You can see it here. Download for Windows, the latest version. Once you click on it, it will download the installer, and then when the download is complete, you double click on the file and follow the installation. Then you go back to your terminal and then you hit Git version. You see the Git version that is installed in the system. So let's go back to our configuration. The essence of doing this configuration is that when you push your code to GitHub, you'll be able to see the particular user that did the update to that particular project. Okay, so to configure Git in your terminal, you have to type in this code git space config space dash dash global space user dot name space double quote. So I want to use Samuel as my user's name. I'm going to use Samuel. Then you hit enter. Then for the email, you type in this code git config space dash dash global space user dot email. Then give a space. The email I'll just use Samuel at gmail.com. So you have to put in your own user's name here. You put in your user's name here and then your email here and then you hit enter. To check to verify the configuration, if it was successful, just type in git config dash dash list. So you can see it here, the user's name, Samuel, then the email, Samuel at Gmail. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to click the like button and also share. Thank you.